Let's kick things off with one of the best stretches for your spine, cat-cow. If you've been suffering from stiffness in your back, this stretch is a game changer. Maybe you wake up in the morning and feel that ache in your lower back, or that tightness creeping up your shoulders. Or perhaps you sit for long hours during the day, and by the time you get up, your spine feels stiff and your neck is sore. Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone. But here's the good news. You can break the cycle and ease that stiffness in just a minute. Cat-cow is a dynamic alternating movement that gently mobilizes your spine. It's one of the most accessible stretches, making it perfect for anyone looking to ease back pain, release tension, and improve flexibility. So, how do you do it? Start on all fours. Your hands should be right beneath your shoulders and your knees right below your hips. Take a deep breath in, arch your back like a cow, letting your tailbone and chest lift toward the sky while your head tilts up. Exhale slowly and round your back like a cat, tucking your chin toward your chest and drawing your belly button toward your spine, just like that, alternating between the two positions, fluidly, gently, and with control. Do this for about a minute, and with every breath, feel your spine become more mobile, your back less tight, and your shoulders begin to open up. Not only does cat-cow target your back, but it also activates your core muscles, improves posture, and gets your blood flowing, which is key to reducing the stiffness that builds up overnight. It's an excellent way to wake up your body, prepare your spine for the day ahead, and get your nervous system aligned. By doing this regularly, you're increasing circulation to your spine, lubricating those crucial joints, and reducing the friction that causes discomfort. It's like a reset button for your back every morning, and it's incredibly effective in reducing stress too. Now let's talk about your calves. If your legs feel tired, achy, or you wake up with cramps, you need to try this calf stretch. It's easy, effective, and can make a world of difference when it comes to the heaviness you might feel in your legs throughout the day. Do you often find yourself struggling with swollen ankles? Or maybe you get those awful leg cramps right when you try to sleep. These symptoms are often linked to tight calf muscles, and the good news is, with just a few minutes of stretching, you can get relief. The calf muscles, specifically the gastrocnemius and soleus, play a crucial role in how we walk and stand. They also act as a natural pump to help blood flow back up from your legs to your heart. But when these muscles get tight from inactivity or poor posture, they can cause blood to pool in the lower legs, leading to swelling, cramping, and that heavy-legged feeling. To perform this stretch, stand with one leg extended back, your heel planted firmly on the floor, and bend your front knee. Make sure to keep your back leg straight and your foot flat. If standing is difficult, you can also do this stretch seated. Simply use a towel or belt to gently pull the toes of your foot toward you. Hold the stretch for 30 to 60 seconds, then switch legs. As you hold, focus on your breathing and let the tension melt away. You'll immediately feel the stretch in the back of your lower leg. The more you stretch, the more flexible your calves will become, and that sensation of heaviness will start to fade. Not only does this help with circulation and muscle relaxation, but it also improves ankle mobility. By stretching your calves regularly, you're not just alleviating discomfort, you're also reducing the risk of conditions like plantar fasciitis or heel pain. Plus, it helps improve your balance, which is essential for reducing falls, especially as we age. Try to add this stretch to your morning routine for just 1 minute, and you'll start noticing how much lighter your legs feel throughout the day, and how much easier it is to move without pain. Next up is the butterfly stretch, a fantastic stretch to release tension in your hips and thighs. If you've been dealing with stiffness in your hips, this stretch will be a lifesaver. Do you feel discomfort when walking or even just climbing stairs? That could be a sign of tight hips. Over time, if we sit too much, our hip flexors, groin, and inner thighs tend to shorten, leading to decreased mobility and often pain. Your hips are the central axis of your body. When they're stiff, your entire body feels it. It affects your posture, your walking, and even the way you bend or stand. But with this simple stretch, you can start to loosen up those tight areas and regain flexibility. Here's how to do the butterfly stretch. Sit on the floor and bring the soles of your feet together in front of you, letting your knees fall to the sides. Gently press your knees down toward the floor with your elbows for a deeper stretch, but don't force it. The goal is to feel a comfortable stretch in your inner thighs, not pain. Hold for 1 minute and breathe deeply, allowing your hips to open up progressively. By regularly practicing this stretch, you'll improve the range of motion in your hip joints, which is essential for overall mobility. Plus, it helps alleviate pressure in your lower back, something many older adults struggle with due to tight hips. This stretch also helps with circulation in the legs, making it great for anyone dealing with varicose veins or tired legs. Besides relieving tightness in your hips, the butterfly stretch helps improve your posture, balance, and stability while walking. It's especially important as we age, when our mobility can often become restricted. Best of all, this stretch can be easily adapted. If you're experiencing significant stiffness, just use cushions under your knees for more support or lean against a wall for extra stability. Try this stretch for just 1 minute a day, and you'll start noticing a noticeable improvement in your hip flexibility, your ability to move freely, and a reduction in lower back pain. Now, let's move on to one of the most relaxing stretches you can do, child's pose. This isn't just a gentle stretch. It's a complete relaxation tool for both your body and mind. If you feel tightness in your back, hips, or shoulders, or if you experience stress that affects your body, this is the stretch for you. Do you ever find yourself hunched over, maybe from sitting at a desk or even just from the daily stress of life? It can cause a lot of tension to build up, especially in your lower back and shoulders. Child's pose is perfect for gently releasing this tension without strain and for allowing your body to fully relax. Here's how you do it. Start by kneeling on the floor with your big toes touching and knees spread apart. Sit back on your heels and then slowly lower your torso forward, bringing your forehead to the floor. Stretch your arms out in front of you, or you can place them along your sides for more relaxation. Breathe deeply and hold this position for 1 minute. This stretch not only works wonders for the lower back, but also helps with releasing tightness in the hips, shoulders, and neck. It creates a deep stretch in the muscles surrounding the spine and helps alleviate pressure in your lower back. Plus, the position encourages better posture by lengthening the spine and promoting relaxation. On a deeper level, child's pose activates the parasympathetic nervous system. That's the part of your body responsible for rest and digest. This means it lowers your heart rate, calms your stress, and can even help with anxiety and poor sleep. By practicing it regularly, you can improve not just your body's flexibility, but also your mental clarity and emotional well-being. If you're feeling extra tight or have knee discomfort, you can place a cushion between your thighs or a blanket under your ankles to make this stretch more comfortable. Child's pose is incredibly adaptable, and best of all, it's something you can do every day to help prepare your body and mind for rest. By incorporating these 5 stretches into your daily routine, you'll start to notice real changes. Less joint stiffness, improved flexibility, and an overall sense of relief. And the best part? It only takes about 10 minutes a day to feel stronger, lighter, and more mobile. So let's recap. Start with the cat-cow to activate your spine and reduce lower back tension. Then follow it up with the calf stretch to improve circulation and reduce leg cramps. Move into the butterfly stretch to release tightness in your hips and thighs. After that, relax your mind and body with child's pose to relieve stress and tension. Finally, finish off with the supine twist to gently decompress your spine and restore flexibility. Just 10 minutes a day. That's all it takes to feel better. And the benefits go beyond just feeling good physically. Regular stretching like this helps improve your posture, reduces pain, boosts circulation, and even helps with stress and anxiety. It's a small daily investment that pays off big in terms of mobility, independence, and quality of life. Remember, it's not about how long you spend stretching, but how consistently you do it. Whether you practice these stretches first thing in the morning to shake off that stiffness or before bed to relax and unwind, the key is consistency. By sticking with it, you'll start to notice improvements within just a few weeks. One of the most noticeable benefits that many older adults report after just a few weeks of daily stretching is a significant reduction in joint stiffness and pain. These stretches help to increase joint range of motion, promote lubrication in the joints, and stimulate connective tissues, making your body feel freer and more flexible. And it doesn't stop there. Regular stretching also helps reduce the risk of falls by improving balance and coordination. By working on your flexibility and posture, you're also improving your body's ability to react to imbalances, which is crucial as we age. Finally, stretching is not just about physical health. It's about emotional well-being too. It calms your nervous system, reduces stress hormones like cortisol, and helps you sleep better. This routine can improve your mood, boost your energy, and keep you feeling more positive throughout the day. Closing hook. Narrator. So, what do you think? Which of these stretches are you going to try today? Were you already practicing any of them? Or is there one you'll be adding to your routine? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so drop a comment below. Your experience could inspire someone else to start their own journey toward feeling better. And don't forget, if this video was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more life-changing tips. Share this video with friends, family, or anyone who could benefit from moving without pain. Because remember, you're just one step away from feeling stronger, lighter, and freer. Start moving today, and let's make this the first day of your healthier, more independent life. End screen. Your body still has so much to give you. You just have to start moving.